Hello there. So you want to know how you can get subscribers on Twitch? Well, that is not the right way to think. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and tell you the exact secrets why people like iShowSpeed grow so much and get so much subscribers on Twitch and YouTube. So getting subscribers on Twitch, what does that mean? It means that people have to manually pay in order for them to go ahead and subscribe to you, which is in itself a very deep process, because in order for people to go ahead and give you money, you have to be entertaining enough or even provide value. So, for example, why is iShowSpeed? He is, well, entertaining. That is number one reason why he has so much followers and so much subscribers in itself. But you don't just have to be entertaining. It doesn't matter if you're entertaining or not, as long as you're providing value to the people who want to watch you. So, who are the people who want to watch you? First of all, you need to understand your niche. So, for example, this is IRL stream, and IRL streams are watched only when interesting things happen. That is not just the case with other platforms or other streaming genres. So, for example, as you can see, Amazon Music is streaming. I'm very sure they have a lot of subscribers as well. And the main reason is because they provide high quality music and they also stream concerts like these. So this is providing value, as you can see. So that just doesn't have to be something grand, though. You could also be sitting in a room talking about things that you understand. So, for example, if you understand how you can go ahead and grow on social media, you could just be sitting down and talking about it. I want you to think of having subscribers as a byproduct and not chasing after subscribers. What I want you to chase after is your target audience. So, for example, in order for you to go ahead and get followers on Twitch, you need to have a big following outside of Twitch. So, for example, you want to go ahead and post as much YouTube shorts as you can. You want to post as much reels as you can. So let me show you how this has been consistent throughout the years. If you remember, a couple years ago, Ninja was a massive streamer who even streamed with Drake and a lot of the other people. So this was 7 years ago, and Ninja used to post Fortnite best moments. So remember, best moments? Best moments is what makes people want to be watching your stream, because they don't want to miss out on your best moments, right? So there are so many reels, so many shorts that people post about Ninja, or used to post about Ninja, which were titled like the clips that made Ninja famous, the best moments of Ninja highlights, right? And this was done in order for people to throw a little fear of missing out action. And when people used to see best moments, they would be like, oh, there could be so much more best moments that I might be missing out on the streams, and they start watching and get entertained. However, just luring people into your stream is not going to be the byproduct for subscribers. Luring people into your stream and then making them entertained or providing them value is what is going to get you subscribers. So I hope I've made it pretty clear in this video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely let me know if this video helped you out, and I'll see you on the next one.